So, I have spent 2 days in Poland in my entire life. It's a culture that should be completely unintelligible to me. And yet, in the last couple of years, I've come to know the work of half a dozen Polish writers at least. And in doing so, I've imaginatively inhabited many, many varied Polish lives. Again and again, I've discovered how different each of these people is from me, and I've also been able to engage with them because of all the ways we're fundamentally the same. Reading fiction requires imagination, and imagination is what enables empathy. And empathy is one of the things that you haven't been seeing much of in the news lately. Empathy is one of those things that makes blind partisanship more difficult, it makes racism more difficult, it makes mean-spirited negligence more difficult, it makes selfishness more difficult. Empathy insists upon compassion, that's how it works. And we all know, I think, the reading studies, recent studies have shown that reading fiction strengthens empathy, theory of mind and other things. And I would contend that we should want a vast diversity of books travelling the world, because the more pluralism you find in the fiction available, the wider the horizons, the more profoundly effective that empathy workout can hope to be.